Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a video tutorial on how to create designs for our enamel mugs for our Shopify app using our free templates. The first thing you need to do is get the template. So if you go to our website, go to the product, scroll down, you'll find there's a download. There's also a download button in the app, and it gives you an overview of the size that's required there. There'll be a video here on how to use the template, and we also provide free mock-ups for all our products, and there's a video there on how to use mock-ups if you've never used them before. So once you've got the template downloaded, you'll note on it gives you the size 1517 by 488 pixels, and note that's pixels, not millimeters, at 200 dpi. When you're creating your designs, they have to be to this exact pixel measurement. If you're 1 pixel out, the app will refuse to upload them. And we do this because when we're scaling products, we have to scale them up exactly if it's phone cases across 30 different models. So that's the reason we do it. So here's an image that I created earlier. If you look at the size on that, this is for a full wrap image. You'll see it's 1517 by 488 pixels. If you copy that and drop that on to the template, you'll see that that fits perfectly. And if you save that as a JPEG or a PNG, that will just simply upload and create all your products in the app. There is another way of doing it as well. If we delete that layer, if we come into here, let's say you just want to put some text on the front side of the mug or the left side of the mug. If you get your image, copy it, drop it onto the design. Let's say you wanted it to be positioned there, that's right across the center of the mug. What you don't want to do is save that image as it is, because you'll get all the blue text and everything. The simple way to do that is move down to the background layer, make sure you've got white as your fill color here, and then just control backspace, and that'll fill that in white. And if you now check your size on there, again, you'll see it's the correct size for upload, and that'll print perfectly where you want it. So thank you very much. Cheers. Bye bye.